Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this video we are going to unbox a Revolut Visa card, and this is physical card. It's also working in any country over the world, but your account must be located in Europe to getting this physical Revolut card. And this card is powered by Visa. It's not MasterCard as like as Nettler or Skrill. Okay, so we are going to unpack this parcel because I have received this card within 2 hours ago by our regular postal service. Now I am going to unpack this parcel. Okay, so first I need to cover it by plastic bag. I need to cut this plastic. This parcel come from DHL courier. Okay, I need this card very urgently, so I shipped this card in fast service by DHL. So I'm going to unpack this. Okay, so this is the main pack and this is the parcel courier pack, and I'm not interested in this package. So this is the front side, and this is the front side, and this is the back side. Okay, now we need to unpack this cover. It will be front side. Okay, this is the Revolut packing, and this card coming with a good outlooking box. It's not as like as Nettler or Skrill. They ship their card in regular mailbox, regular letter box. So but Revolut packaging system is awesome. And this is plastic card. They also provide steel card. The steel card actually damage free, but plastic card is not free from damage. Here is a push button. We need to first we need to push. Okay, so here is a card, here is a card, here is a card. Okay, so I'm not interested to show this card in depthly. Okay. So this is the main part of card, and it's powered by Visa. I told you it's not powered by MasterCard. Revolut actually associate with Visa. Here is some guidelines. You can read this guideline. You can read it or you can leave it. Okay, but it will be better if you read their guidelines. So okay, first I need to remove my card. For security reason I am hiding my card details. You know very much well, if I expose my card details, then it will be hacked by anyone. So this is the card. Actually I am hiding this card numbers, and this is the ATM card. Okay, it's powered by Revolut and powered by Visa. So you no need to set up any PIN first time on the website and Revolut apps. You need to put this card on ATM, and when you input your card on ATM booth, they will ask you to set a 4-digit PIN number, and you need to set from them. Okay, so it's easy to use, as like as MasterCard, and it's work in any countries over the world where Revolut does not service their offers. I already told you, if you want to get this card, your account must be located in Europe, and if you live in outside of Europe, then it's not possible to get this card. But if you really want this card and you really interested on this card, then you can contact with us. We can provide you Revolut account with physical card, I mean ATM card, and you can also get virtual card on Revolut account. We provide this service in reliable price. Please contact us for our service and product details. So hope this video is useful for you, and if you're new in our channel, then please subscribe us. If you have any question, you can leave your question in our comment section, and in the same time, if your friend or family really interested in this type of payment processing services, then you can buy services from us. Basically, if you live in outside of Europe, then it's really tough for getting this type of card, such as Revolut, Nettler, Skill, and much more. Okay, so see you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.